Hello students, good morning. Once again welcome back to our online teaching of St. Thomas School. Today we will learn chapter 7 of moral science, taken care of. Here the story about botanist came across a valley in the Himalayas where beautiful flowers were blooming. We always like to see blooming flowers. But there was no approach road to it. It was very difficult to reach the valley thousands of feet down. This valley was very deep. No one reached there. And no one road to approach it. Nearby valley. And he had never heard about these flowers. He had done a lot of research on many different varieties of flowers, but those were some new species which were yet undiscovered. That type of flowers he did not see any time. He saw different types of varieties of flowers, but these flowers are very difficult to find out, undiscovered. He was thrilled. He wanted to somehow get a few of those flowers, but he did not know what to do. He wanted these flowers. He wanted to somehow get a few of those, but he did not know what to do, how to reach there to pluck the flowers. In a desperate effort, he took his small child, tied the child with a rope, and lowered him into the valley afraid. He lowered his child into the valley, perspiring, trembling, thinking that something might go wrong. He thought what he did. So he perspired, swelling. When the child reached down in the valley, he plucked a few flowers. The father shouted from the top of the hill, "Are you okay, my son?" He asked him, son. He asked his son in worried, "Are you okay? Are you afraid?" The son laughed. He said, "Why should I be afraid? The rope is in my father's hands." The child was secure in the hands of his father. Why he was afraid? Because of his rope is in his father's hand. Like the little child, we should be able to say that we are taken care of at every moment of our life. That is the beauty of life. Nothing can shake or disturb us on our way. Life becomes tensionless and happy. We always share our good or bad, whatever things, share with our parents, with our elders. Life becomes worth living. Our whole life is in God's hand. Always pray to God. First keep leg of our God, then ours. Our whole life is insured in His hands, where we have to pay a premium of trusting Him blindly, and we are protected from moment to moment. Well, our bonus is confidence. Our confidence level increases and we activate our own self to face anything that comes across our way. The moment we become innocent, we have found a direct line to the divine. then we always pray to God. Whatever happen, before go to bed, when we wake up, thanks to God. Our heartbeat synchronizes with God's heartbeat. The whole existence becomes a mother to us, nurturing and caring for each and every need of ours. Do you know now? Our mother is a God. Now let us ponder over our lives and see if our heartbeat is synchronized with the divine heartbeat. If not, it is certain that we are not paying the premium regularly. So before the policy lapses, let us renew it. Renew means every day without forget. Thank thee God for our life, for our parents. Have you ever thought of the properties of God? They are: God is love and merciful. God is everywhere. There is no place where God is not present. God is full of goodness. He always does good. He protects us in His mighty arms. Growing in relationship with God is our duty. How? I will love Him. I will think about Him. I will speak with Him. I will grow in my relationship with Him through prayer. I will see Him in a special way in the poor and the sick. I will speak about Him to others. Always talk for God to everyone. And बच्चे, remember, God is everywhere. Love them. Realize them by prayer. Okay, बच्चे, understand this lesson. Read out 2-3 times. Take care. Stay home. Stay safe. Thank you.